To deposit a check at an ATM without a card in 2025. Start by locating an ATM that supports cardless transactions and check deposits. Many modern ATMs now offer this feature. So look for an ATM at your bank or a participating financial institution. Once you have found a suitable ATM, approach the machine and select your language preference. Next, choose the cardless transaction option, which may be listed as mobile banking or cardless access. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number or username associated with your account. After entering your phone number or username, you will receive a verification code sent to your mobile device. Enter this code into the ATM to authenticate your identity. If you have enabled mobile banking, you may also be able to use a mobile banking app to generate a unique code for ATM access. With your identity verified, select the deposit option from the ATM menu and choose Check Deposit. You will then be prompted to insert your check into the ATM. Make sure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for deposit only." The ATM will then scan the check and display the amount to be deposited. Verify that the amount is correct and confirm the deposit. The ATM may also provide the option to print or email a receipt for your records. It is essential to note that some ATMs may have deposit limits or requirements for cardless check deposits. Be sure to check with your bank for specific guidelines and any potential fees associated with cardless transactions. When depositing a check at an ATM without a card, ensure you have a clear and legible copy of the check and that the ATM is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during the deposit process, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully deposit a check at an ATM without a card in 2025. This convenient feature allows you to manage your finances efficiently and securely, even when you do not have your debit card with you. Always prioritize your account security and carefully review your transactions to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential errors.